Good day, we are the group 3 and we will be presenting a Greek philosopher named Plutarch. I am Jezreel Kim Garcia.
I am an Angel David. I am Shalaya El Galang.
And we are the group 3. And this is what we will tackle about a role model. What is a role model? It is a person on whose behavior, example, or success is or can be emulated by others, especially by younger people. So these are the people who inspire others to follow their positive traits. Next, Plutarch on being a good role model. Lucius Mestrius Plutarchus, also known as Plutarch, the ancient Greek historian and educator, understood that humans are incredibly social creatures, constantly observe the people around them and imitate them. The Guardian 2020. So, what is social creatures, Shania?
Social creature is yung pakikisalamu or pakikipag-interact sa iba.
So, yun. Social creatures, sila nga yung mga tao na nakikipag-interact or tayong mga tao, nakikipag-interact or nakikisalamuha sa mga tao. Next. Can you read it, Shania?
Unfortunately, people often grow up surrounded by bad role models. However, we can steer people by providing them with better patterns to imitate. That's what Plutarch tried to do with his famous work, Parallel Lives, which offered biographical sketches of some of the great Greek and Roman heroes, Cicero, Caesar, Alexander, Pericles, to give young people something to emulate.
So, what is a bad role models? What do you mean? But what do you mean in people often grow up surrounded by role models? Bakit lumaki tayong nakapalibot sa mga bad role models? And
Bad role model is isang individual o isang person na mga nagpapakita ng hindi mabuting halimbawa o hindi tamang pag-uugali sa isang negosyo o sa business.
so that is the bad role model. So in the parallel lives, pinakita ni Plutarch sa parallel lives yung mga heroes or characters na gagayahin natin. Nandito nga yung pares na to give young people something to emulate. Sila, binigay ni Plutarch, ini-inspire ni Plutarch yung mga character na to or ginawa niya yung mga character na to para inspire yung mga tao or para may gagayahin sila sa parallel lives. Next. In organizational terms, that means what you say to your employees is less important than what you do. They will catch how you behave, how you treat others, how you cope with the pressure, and whether you follow through on your promises. And they will imitate you. If you talk about ethics and then cut corners at the first opportunity, they will follow your lead. Set a good example and they will follow it. Plutarch would also warn that your best young employees will use you as a bird to aim for and succeed. That's natural. Let them compete with you and encourage them to go farther. So, in the praise, they will catch how you behave, how you treat others, cope with the pressure, follow through on your promises, and they will imitate you. What does it mean, Anne?
Ang sinasabi daw dito ay magbigay ka ng magandang halimbawa, susundan nila ito. At babala din daw ni Plutarch na gamitin mo ang iyong pinakamagaling na empleyado ng iyong mga gagawin para ay bilang pamantayan o standard sa kanilang sikaping lagpasan. At ayaw mo silang ipagkumpetensya sa iyo at hayaan pa silang lumampas pa. At i-encourage mo pa silang yung lumampas pa, yung i-encourage mo sila. Ang statement naman dito ay tumutukoy sa kahalagaan ng isang magiging mabuting leader sa business. Example sa business, bilang isang boss or leader, kung anong kilos at desisyon at ay kung yung kilos mo at desisyon ay malaki sa mga empleyado mo. Kung malamang hindi lang susundin ng iyong mga empleyado. Kaya mahalaga na palagi maging gandang ginawa.
So next, in this phrase, Plutarch and his lessons in leadership. So what does a leader look like? Seems to be one of the primary questions that is being asked. So for me, an ideal leader is where marunong siya makipag-communicate with their members, like followers. He has characteristic na ganito yung parang kaya niyang makipag-communicate, i-handle yung mga member niya. Sa inyo naman, ano ang ideal leader para sa inyo?
They will help you to improve your skills and they will improve your, ano ba? They will improve and develop your skills. Para sa akin, yung ideal leader is yung marunong sila mag-organize ng mga problema. Para sila yung nagiging model sa mga employee nila sa isang business.
Okay, next.
According to Miles, 1991, found that practicing self-leadership provides a testing ground for learning and developing leadership competencies. Observing effective leaders is an excellent way to develop leadership competencies. Nakita ni Miles na practice sa leadership ay parang testing ground siya para sa iyong kalasan competencies. Okay. Isang way yung pag-observe ng mga leaders para mag-develop pa yung skills mo dahil na kung paano mag-handle na sa isang business ng mga problema, situation, gano'n, at paano maging responsible sa mga kasama mo sa business at kung paano maging accountable.
Next.
Following or studying, respected leaders over time allow one to witness firsthand how leaders apply their skill in various situations, allowing time for after the fact reflection and discussion important. Apprenticeship or administrative assistantship is another way to develop leadership competency. Para daw maging isang mahusay na leader, kailangan mo daw munang magmasid muna or pwede mga karanasan ng mga naging leader, kung ano daw yung mga nakasanayan lang mga lakuan. Kailangan din or mahalaga na mag-reflect ka ng time sa sarili mo para ma-reflect lahat ng mga bagay na nasimulan mo. Pagkalalay ng administrator, mas mapapalakas daw ang iyong kakayahan sa pagiging leadership. Hindi ka lang nag-iisa, may kasama ka sa pagiging.
So makikita nga natin dun na sa mga sinabi nyo na observing effective leaders and apprenticeship or may kasama habang gumagawa ng mga task ay isa rin mga way para ma-develop yung leadership skills mo. Pag-observe ng mga leaders is okay. Then next, we have your leaders identify and then place potential leaders in position as apprenticeship or administrative assistants. Leader guides and model while the apprentice actually performs leadership tasks and gains practical experience. In this role, leaders encourage and inspire, tutor, and mold their changes into future leaders. Dito naman sa phrase na to, sinasabi na yung leaders ay ginaguide lang nila and yung mga apprenticeship ay sila yung mga gumagawa ng tasks para sa experience nila. In this role, leaders, sila yung mga nag-tutor and yung mga performer, yun yung mga apprenticeship. Next. Here, to make no mistake is not the power of man, but from their errors. and mistake the wise and good learned wisdom for the future. Dito, tinasabi na di mali ang magkamali and gawin itong opportunity and embrace it as an opportunity.
To find fault is easy, to do better may be difficult. Sinasabi daw dito na we should conclude our personal development. Mag-focus lang tayo sa personal development natin, hindi yung mangyalam sa buhay ng may buhay.
Sinasabi naman dito, character is a long-standing habit. Sinasabi na kung how you act. Kung gumagawa ka ng constantly doing good things, you're a good person. And kung you're constantly doing bad things, you're a bad person.
Know how to listen and you will profit even from those who talk badly. Sinasabi dito na dapat marunong tayo makinig at makakakuha tayo ng aral sa mga taong nagsasabi ng masama or hindi kaaya-aya sa'yo. Wag na natin silang
Para di na lumaki yung gulo. So, that ends our reporting or presentation. Thank you for watching.